picked this Crosman E9A. It's like the old Benjamin at Sheridan EB22. I picked it up pretty cheap today, £80. It's quite cheap for one of these. It's a bit tatty here and there, so I thought I'd better strip it down just to see if it's got any damage. When I stripped it down, the internals were quite good, not too bad. Just a little bit of cosmetic sort of damage on the outside. So I thought I'd polish it up. So I wire walled off all the paint, and the breech and the barrel come up quite nice using a wire brush as well. I then polished it with some metal polish. I gave the inside a little bit of a clean up too, not too much. Didn't want to take too much of the metal away, just more of a clean, deep clean than a polish internally. And then it was time to put it all back together. Obviously the fixed parts, screws and stuff, get a bit Loctite. The moving parts get a little bit of oil, not too much. And you can see it all laid out, all the bits and pieces. And yeah, it's come out quite well.